All right, welcome everybody. Good to have you this morning. We're also broadcasting live on YouTube, and we are here on the Zoom with live interpretation in many different languages. Great to have everybody with us here from all around the world, and we got some exciting updates today. So good to see everybody here, and we'll wait just about another 60 seconds here to let everybody join the room. And great to see everybody. Dr. Anna, good to see you out there in Israel. How's everything going?
Very nice here. Nice weather, nice everything. So cannot complain.
Great. We're super excited to hear the updates today. I know everybody's really excited about the launch of the Forex that will be going live soon. And this is a big benchmark that we've achieved. So thank you for being with us today. Edward, Ilya, what's up, guys?
Excited for this news and looking forward to a lot of good things.
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome. All right, well, we are live on YouTube, and let's go ahead and dive in and get started here today, guys. I want to welcome everybody to the webinar, again, from all around the world, and we got some exciting updates today. As we kick off the webinar today, we're going to just review the promotions. We've got a couple of very incredible promotions that are live in the month of November, and we're very excited. I want to make sure everybody knows about the opportunity that's on the table right now for you with D.AI.SY this month. And of course, today we've got some exciting updates as well for the AI Forex platform that will be going live this month. So give us just a moment here. Going to pull the screen share up. All right. So quick update, guys. This is really important. We just found out talking to the event coordinators in Dubai for the event that we are going to limit the seating at this event because of current COVID restrictions. And we don't know what changes are going to happen between now and this event. And so because of that, we are limiting the seating for this event to 2,000. The first 2,000 people that reserve their tickets will have seating at this event. Now, it's possible that restrictions will change. We may be able to add additional seating to this event, but right now this is the situation, and so this is very urgent. If you plan on being with us, we hope that you will. This event is going to truly be life-changing. We are going to be making massive announcements at this event. You're going to be receiving powerful training from the top leaders inside of D.AI.SY, individuals that have already created their first $1 million with the D.AI.SY peer-to-peer model. And we've got some really big surprises in store for you as well. So I promise you this, if you truly see the vision of D.AI.SY and you realize that we have done things and will continue to do things that have never been done before, and you want to be a part of D.AI.SY 2.0, really seeing D.AI.SY go to the next level, this is the event to be at. This is the most important decision that you can make in your business journey with D.AI.SY. And we're calling this event Disrupt for a very specific reason, because we are truly disrupting multiple industries with the D.AI.SY business model, and the announcements that we're going to be making and the news that we're going to be releasing at this event in Dubai is something that you want to experience firsthand. The energy, the relationships that are going to be built, the experience that we're going to have together at this event is something that can only happen when we're together as a community. And so we are inviting you to join us live for this event. You can go to DaisyDisrupt.com and you can purchase your tickets. Right now, the early bird special, the discount is live. And so you can go ahead and secure your tickets today for this event. And the first 2,000 people that reserve their tickets will have guaranteed seating at this event. So you don't want to miss that. It's going to be very, very powerful. Additionally, let's cover the promotions very quickly that we have this month. First of all, we have released the new combo pack. So now a person can join D.AI.SY, and with one transaction, they can participate in the cryptocurrency, AI contribution, as well as the Forex AI contribution in one transaction. So, for example, a tier 1 member who's joining D.AI.SY for the first time, for 200 USDT, they can have tier 1 in crypto and tier 1 in Forex. And of course, that goes through all of the tiers all the way up to tier 9. And tier 10 can be purchased individually. In order for an existing member to purchase the combo pack, the member must be at equal tiers with Forex and crypto. So for example, if you're a tier 3 member right now in Forex, then and you want to buy a combo pack, you would need to also be a tier 3 member in crypto, and then you would be able to contribute to the tier 4 combo pack. So you need to be at equal tiers, and combo packs will place you into the next tier matrix. So for example, when a member joins at tier 1 with a combo pack, they're actually placed into tier 2. If somebody contributes to tier 2 in the combo pack, they will actually be placed into the tier 3 matrix. So you'll be automatically placed into the next matrix when you contribute to the combo pack. So that just makes life a lot easier. It's less transaction fees, and now a person can participate in both crypto and Forex with a single transaction. Now we have a tier 5 promo that has continued from October. When you contribute to tier 5 of both crypto and Forex, so you could be a combo pack, or you could contribute individually to tiers 1 through 5 of crypto and tiers 1 through 5 of Forex. Maybe you've already done that in crypto and you want to upgrade into Forex, whatever it is. Once you have tier 5 of both crypto and Forex, you will unlock your placement into tiers 6 through 10 matrix. Guys, this is really, really powerful because you're looking at a 6,200 USDT contribution total for crypto and Forex combined. So 3,100 USDT for each. And it places you in the matrix for tiers 6 through 10. This is powerful because normally that's a 102,000 USDT contribution for each of those. And for 6,200 USDT, you unlock your position. That allows you to receive spillover from members in the higher tiers. It allows you to earn in the matrix when people in your organization purchase the higher tiers. And this is a big incentive for anyone who's participating in the peer-to-peer model. Members who met these requirements between November 4th and November 8th will also qualify. So if you met these requirements in between the promotions, you will also qualify. Now, guys, this next promotion is so exciting. I hope everyone really understands the power of this. When you could, now this is for the month of November, when you contribute to tier 6 and or tier 7, whether it's cryptocurrency, whether it's Forex or both, 70% of your contribution will go into the live trading. Plus, only in the month of November, you will receive the same shares of equity. So 50% of your contribution will be honored towards equity, and 70% of your contribution will go into live trading. This means that you're actually getting a discount on the equity. And this is really powerful because, guys, the valuation of EndoTech continues to increase. In fact, we'll be making some announcements in the near future about the adjustments of equity in proportion to the valuation increase of EndoTech. And right now, you have the opportunity to actually contribute to Tier 6 and Tier 7, have 70% go into live trading instead of 50%, 70% into live trading, and you still get the same amount of equity as you would with the 50% contribution. So this is a massive promotion. We just want to make sure everyone understands how big, what a unique opportunity this is. 20% more into live trading, and you are getting extra shares of equity in EndoTech for that contribution because of the discount. This includes crypto, Forex, and combo packs. Members who have already contributed to Tier 6 and 7 in the past will be able to repurchase those tiers in order to participate in the 70% trading promotion. And that repurchase option will be going live in the next few days. Before the month ends, you'll have that opportunity. So even if you're already at Tier 6 and 7, but you want to take advantage of this 70% trading promotion and this discount on the equity, you have the opportunity to do that only in the month of November. For those that may have missed their Pacesetter promotion in the first 30 days, we have a reset period right now for every single DAISY member. Members who are past their 30 days can qualify for Pacesetter Gold in the month of November. Here's the requirements. You must have 24 lifetime personal referrals, and that's lifetime. So it doesn't have to be 24 new referrals in November. It's a total of 24 personal referrals in DAISY since you joined. And you must have 128,000 in personal referral contributions. Now, the 128,000 must come from the month of November. So this is new contributions in the month of November. It can include cryptocurrency and Forex tiers, so everything counts. Additionally, if you participated in the launch of the Forex tiers in the month of October, any contributions from October from your personal referrals will count towards the 128,000. And so you have the entire month of November to reach 128,000 in personal referral contributions, and you can count all of the personal referral contributions from October for the Forex promotion last month. That will count towards the 128,000. Again, we want to really encourage everyone, go to daisydisrupt.com. Make sure that you purchase your tickets because there is now a 2,000 person limitation for the live event. So exciting promotions on the table right now. We just wanted to remind everyone, Edward, Ilya, that 70% promotion for Tier 6 and 7, this is a really big deal. And if people realize how big of a deal that is, I think everyone would want to participate in that.
Yeah, Jeremy, absolutely. I think, yes, when we presented this last time, we spoke about this. It's very powerful because now those people who don't have budget to buy higher tiers, right? Tier 8, 9, and 10, and enjoy that proportion, right? 70-30 proportion. They can do it now. It's much more affordable now. So it's very, very appealing now to people worldwide. Plus, at the same time, they can still enjoy the same amount of equity shares, which is also very powerful, only for the month of November.
It's probably a great time too, Edward, for people to get involved. We had a nice pullback in the market, in the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours. So a great opportunity probably for people to get involved and be a part of this next, this next momentum wave that cryptocurrency is going to have on the other side of this pullback. So the timing's probably good too.
Yeah, 100%. Especially this going back to equity part on 70% goes towards the testing trading. It's pretty big deal because I have a friend, Ukrainian friend from Ukraine. He's not a builder or anything, but once he found out 70-30 starts from there, he joined all 10 tiers just last Saturday. Immediately, right? So I see some new people getting excited over going more towards the, testing tradings. So to me, the equity part is a very big deal because look, some people joined back in January, right? Or March, and they got same amount of equity, and equity already increased, and they didn't have to wait all this time. And now they have, this is the only time, one time, and now they can get same amount equity pretty much for a lot less money.
Yeah,
it's worth a lot more, right?
Yes, this is a one-time, like this is literally a one-time promotion. So there's never been a better time for people to come in and upgrade to tier 6 and 7 because of that. We had an amazing conversation yesterday, a 2-hour call with Dr. Anna, also with the CFO of EndoTech and their corporate team. And guys, what's happening right now with EndoTech is really, really exciting. The roadmap for EndoTech to ultimately go public, the appetite and interest right now in the private investment world, the valuation of EndoTech continues to rise. In fact, Dr. Anna shared with us yesterday that just from last month, where we opened up now the Forex side of the platform, that alone it increased the valuation significantly, and the amount of contributions that have already come in towards the Forex platform together lifted the valuation of EndoTech significantly. And this is really, I think, something that maybe people don't fully understand how powerful the crowdfunding model is with D.AI.SY, because not only do we get the benefit of the technology that is being developed, the AI trading technology, but to actually have equity and be a part of the growth of EndoTech as they continue their journey forward as a SaaS company is absolutely incredible. We have gotten the question from a lot of leaders, hey, when is Forex trading going to go live? When are we going to start the Forex trading? And so we want to make sure to answer that question as to why there's been a delay, why we're not live yet. And the answer is exactly what we're talking about today, because we want to maximize the valuation of EndoTech. And after talking to the financial advisors that are helping with the process of EndoTech taking its next steps forward, we were advised to structure the Forex fund in a certain way, legally and with the corporate structure that will maximize the valuation of EndoTech as a SaaS company. And this is very, very important. And so right now our attorneys are finalizing that restructuring. We plan on going live with the Forex trading in the month of November as promised. And it's very exciting. The performance, the results, the potential in the Forex AI is just incredible. And what it's going to do for the valuation of EndoTech, not only for the benefit of all of the members who are participating, but the valuation of EndoTech is going to be incredible as well. It just makes the story bigger in the open market to go from a cryptocurrency AI platform to now a Forex and cryptocurrency AI platform. And it doesn't stop there. There's additional markets that we have in the future as well. So everything is ready. Dr. Anna is going to share with us today. The platform is ready. Everything is ready to go. The software is ready. And we are just finalizing right now the structure of the fund and the brokerage account so that we can officially go live in the month of November. So Dr. Anna, I know everyone's excited to hear from you today about the Forex AI platform and some of the developments and things that are happening in the EndoTech world as well. So we're going to go ahead and turn the call over to you. And thank you for being with us today.
Yeah, thank you, Jeremy. And you really nicely phrased it. It's very important for us to go to Forex specifically because it brings EndoTech company from crypto market to digital assets. And for us, as an alternative investment and trading solution that handles high risk and high opportunity assets, digital assets is much broader class. So it's take us up in the valuation of the company and help us to go to the path, our vision as a global leader in alternative investments. So we again got some questions why we stopped for a while. The video sessions is just because we're really swamped with everything that's going around on the product side, on the AI side, and of course on the business side. Really trying to bring it back. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks, you will receive the new video specifically on AI, and it will be wrapped up in, again, hopefully 1st of December, the story about where we are with AI development on the fundamental side and on the technical side. Really hope that it will be exciting for you as it's exciting for us. I didn't start with my main message to you. Thank you so much, the community, and we really, really appreciate it because for SaaS company like ours, purely technologically company, to have such a support, to have such a crowdfunding is really, the life-changing. And we're really thankful for your support and for your passion, for our aligned passion for this project. And I decided today to talk about Forex in a very light way because we did it so many times. We spoke about why Forex, how Forex, all these different technical elements about Forex. So I just want to touch about just one element of it. So let me share my screen. Yeah. Jeremy, if you can, yes, you can see. Okay.
Yes, we can see it.
So we as a DAISY project that doing AI for digital assets, right? So let's compare current crypto situation and Forex, and let's see once again why we should be excited about Forex as a community and as a potential future investors into the investment in alternative investments. So when we're talking about crypto, I will teach you right now about two simple concepts of what is good and what is bad for the alternative investment on high opportunity markets. So when we're talking about high opportunity, we're talking about the long-term story. This is 3 years. Let me just grab it a little bit low. Yes, so 3 years starting 2018. Sorry, almost 4 years. And we're talking about fixed returns, which are very, very high, compound, bring us to extreme values. And the main issue that we all have, including the last few days, including the periods in the middle, that we have losing months. When people experience, when investors experience losing months, starting with the fact that we feel a little bit down, that we are not increasing our investment, and ending up with the fear that maybe it will not come back to the profitable months. Every time that we see losing months, it's kind of the bad thing for us. It's not the bad thing for the final story, for the final, but it's some element that brings both fear and disappointment into the system. So this is the first thing, the losing months, right? This is a problem for us. So the second part is a risk reward, meaning that for each dollar that we make during the year, we're risking to be down 16 for each dollar 16 cents to be on the losing side. So you can see here, from one side it looks very linear, like it looks like a straight line. From the other side you can see that from here to here we almost didn't win because here we had the losses, right? And then we need to recover and so on. So I specifically chose this very simple metric for us to look at this. There's lots of other ones. There's Sharpe ratio, there is recovery rate. I want us to focus on this too. So now let's see why Forex and what it can do for us. Okay, so let's go to the second part. So if we move from the crypto to Forex, and we use exactly the same algorithm as for our trend, already what we see is improvement in risk reward. For each dollar, instead of losing 16 cents, we're losing only 11 cents. And our losing months goes down from 10 during 4 years to 8, okay? But what you can see here, first of all, is not that significant. And second, the last period would not be that happy. You see, the last period would be exactly this period of fear and disappointment. So we will add additional elements to the Forex, which are 1 hour trend, okay, and 1 hour swing. Now, what we see here that while our risk rewards still goes down, which is excellent. Now we're risking only 9 cents per each dollar, right? The losing months suddenly went up because it changes the dynamic of the wins and losses by going from 4 hours to 1 hour, okay? And then to recover from this, we can see that all we needed to do is to add swings back for the 4 hour, okay? And then we get to the optimal side for us that only 3 months out of 46 are the losing months, okay? Very important, only 5 cents we're losing for each dollar. This is our risk, this is our historical risk. And only 3 months out of 46 that we lose money. Now, you need to understand that this is only 4 hours, 1 hour, and 4 hour swing. So we are not talking here about 15 minutes and 5 minutes. This is specifically the simplified presentation for the story. Why I'm not talking about 15 minutes and 5 minutes? Because this is a process that we need all to go together in the next 4 phases for the Forex launch of the launching our testing system. We will start first with a small trading amount of about 1 million plus. We will trade a little bit on the 4 hours trend and swings. We'll see how it goes. Everything is clean. We go to the larger side. We will add 1 hour swings in the trend. Everything goes fine. We will add 15 minutes and we'll go further. So it will be 15 and then it will be 5 and 1. And then at this point, we should expect not losing months, maybe losing weeks, but not losing months, and to keep in the risk reward ratio of the 5%. So this is why we should be excited about Forex, because in crypto, we don't have this opportunity to get to the smoother curve at the moment, as the market is still young and it doesn't have enough liquidity and it doesn't have enough maturity of the patterns to add versatility of the Forex. In Forex, we can go to lower time frames, we can go to multiple patterns, we can go to multiple assets. In crypto, we're still bounded by the fact that the market is so young that lots of new assets are just coming up, you know, just this last years. So,
Dr. Anna, to specify again, this is based on a 3-year or 4-year statistic
4 year.
here.
4 year statistics here.
That's pretty impressive. I mean, even, you know, I mean, 3 out of 48 months losing
46.
months. That's
Yeah,
just very
46.
impressive. I just wanted to make sure that I was clear on that.
Yeah. Thank you. Again, 46 months because we're still lacking 2 months. But otherwise, yes, it's impressive. Again, it's only the 1 hour till we're going down to 1 hour. 15 minutes gives us additional value. And again, hopefully by December 1st, we will be able to deliver you the full story of how 15 minutes done, because for 15 minutes, we had to do lots of work on AI side, on lots of information cracking, and fundamental side, and states, and other elements that 4 hours and 1 hour does not demand as much. So we will tell this story soon, and hopefully you will enjoy it. So that's my short, but hopefully fun explanation about Forex and about crypto and how we do compare it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Anna. And again, guys, the second half of November, which we are now in, by the end of this month, we plan on going live with the Forex. And so we're just finalizing the structure so that everything is not only legal, fully done the right way, but also that we maximize the impact that this launch will have on the valuation of EndoTech. So it's going to be an incredible new season for the DAISY community. We know that many of you who participated in the promotion in October and who are still right now participating in getting secured in the Forex tiers, you're waiting and you're excited to see everything go live. So we're excited that we're almost there, and it's going to be a big next level chapter for the EndoTech story and for the DAISY story. So we're very thankful, very excited to have to be at the starting line of this big benchmark. So thank you, Dr. Anna, for being with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank
Absolutely. That's we've covered everything we wanted to cover today, but let's really, I guess, go out with some closing thoughts. I personally have heard enormous excitement about the Forex side of things. I think part of it is because of the more active trading that's taking place on more of a daily result, a weekly result. People are excited to be able to see that, but it also just puts us into a whole nother category of the open market as well. So this is a really significant opportunity. And again, with the tier 6 and tier 7 promotion right now, this is massive. To have 70% of your contribution go towards the live trading and still be able to receive the 50% value of equity. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. And we've got 2 weeks left for people to be able to take advantage of this. So maybe we should close out the call just one more time talking about the importance of this promotion and why everyone should take advantage of this before November ends.
Yeah, again, going back to the equity part on the 70-30, you're receiving same amount as we did before in 50-50, and we're already evaluated way much higher. And we did some, talking about delay, in my opinion, is actually enhancement. This delay made it enhancement in our equity. And the equity, when I say in our equity, every single member, again, every single member, doesn't matter what tier you are, it doesn't matter who you are. If you are a DAISY member, you have equity. 100% belongs to you, your equity for each tier you purchase, right? And then if you Pacesetter, it's so much bigger. So the promotion on Pacesetter we have, Jeremy, what I really like about specifically DAISY program, yesterday when Ilya woke up, he messaged, "Good morning, market is going down," or something like that, right? And something popped into my mind that I read it or I heard it somewhere. I think I heard it, a video or something. Somebody was talking, and the phrase was going like this: today is very hard. Tomorrow is going to be way harder, and after tomorrow we win, right? But most of the people will die tomorrow by evening. So if you think really, really into it, we actually, as a DAISY program, we're eliminating that for people to struggle in a trading, right? When it's hard times, when you think market is crashing or something's going on, a lot of people lose, a lot of people die, a lot of people don't. But here we have AI, we have perfect system that in development part. So I just so passionate, so love this program. And the way it's been structured and everything it's going, it's just amazing. And anyway, so excited. I'm so excited about for Dubai event. I can't, because knowing all the, right, knowing all the announcements we have and some of the surprises. And the only part is, I mean, we have only 2,000 limited seats for now. So hopefully, hopefully the people who's supposed to be there have enough time to purchase. And anyway, that's it. Super excited.
Yeah, that's a very good point. And you know, somebody is asking now about the Leaf token, because we promised in the flyer, right? So we said we'll provide some updates. So we did invite just because before we close the call, right? So I want to touch on this also. And then we're speaking about the market. You know, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. So for those people who are watching the price of DAISY token, really there is nothing to be disappointed about, because we haven't started yet, right? So we're going to be started. We're going to be announcing some crazy partnerships very, very soon. The whole team is coming together. So we attracting some brilliant people in the industry, some marketing team, also social media and everything. And I encourage everybody to follow our social media channels, such as Medium, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. So we're also creating group on Facebook, LinkedIn. All the social media already exist, and we're going to be promoting, of course, like on a daily basis. So it's in professional hands right now. So the whole structure, the whole design, the whole, the whole press releases and everything is going to be quite professional. So talking about Uplift, we didn't invite Alex for this call, but if we invited him, so he would provide some really exciting news. Actually, the swap story and the staking story is around the corner, so it's going to be happening like anytime very, very soon within this week. So I cannot tell you exact hour when it's going to happen, so please stay tuned. It's going to happen very soon, and it's going to be a very easy process. So everybody who have DAISY tokens will be able to swap it into Leaf tokens, basically going from Tron blockchain into Binance Smart Chain, right? So it's going to be another protocol. So the Leaf token will be launched on Pancake Swap. This is the first DEX, decentralized exchange, where Leaf token will be launched. And plus, we are in the process of negotiating with some amazing projects. So we're going to be announcing those projects also very soon. So beginning of December, hopefully, which means like a couple of weeks from now, we'll be able to announce our first IDO, historical IDO on our platform. So exciting news are coming. So personally, I'm very excited about Uplift story. So I think all of us, we are very happy that about the name, about the meaning of Uplift. Everybody kind of loves the logo, loves the energy behind this brand. So we're creating this brand, and of course we need you guys, your support also on the social media side, on just share all this news with your friends, subscribe, and let's promote the story to the world, because the story is going to be very powerful. And on a DAISY fund, Edward, what you were talking about, of course I'm also very excited. What is very important to understand, all those people who joined back in January, everybody is in a win situation right now. Every single person. So this is a whole story, the whole concept of DAISY, right, Jeremy? So when we started this, we didn't want to have any casualties. We didn't want anybody to cry over the money that they lost, just like in some other deals or whatever. So it's a very powerful message. So those people who joined back in January, after 10 months right now, so you can see some amazing results on the DAISY fund side. And many people, of course, already pulled out some profit rewards also, right? And plus, the equity part stays there. So you can see in the back office how many shares you have and evaluation of the company. I mean, guys, if you compare what EndoTech was 1 year ago and what it was now, I mean, it's crazy. This year alone, in the last few months, in the last 1 year, the valuation of EndoTech just grew enormously. Nobody, Doctana, she was not prepared for this kind of growth. She didn't know what DAISY is able to do in peer-to-peer industry, because she was not familiar with the industry itself, right? So together we did some amazing results. We achieved some amazing results, and the journey just getting started. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. So everybody is supposed to win here. And next year, of course, we will push it further and further. And again, with 2,000 seats limitation for Dubai event, we encourage everybody, all the leaders, to buy tickets in advance, because now we have discounted prices. So let's meet in Dubai end of March. And like Jeremy keeps saying, so we myself, Edward, we say the same. So we can guarantee, we can promise that it's going to be the best and the most energetic event that you guys ever attended in your life. So let's make it happen.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
really quick, I just want to add, yesterday when we had, Jeremy, when we had a call with Dr. Anna and the whole team and the tech team, and what was really funny and interesting, that it's two different industries compared to what we do in the financial industry, that they said the EndoTech evaluation and the performance and everything grew so much that with the institutional funds and the people who's coming on board and helping, they had to downplay the numbers dramatically to make it not, because it looks too good. People can like for some people, they look, oh, you guys did 100% profit, and they go like that. But when the professional comes in and he sees the numbers, they don't believe it. And it had to play down so much for them to take a look and believe it and start, and then they go like, oh my gosh, this is big. How do you guys manage? It was really interesting that they said that. I just wanted to bring this up, one of the small things.
Yeah, that was incredible, right? Because sometimes we, in our industry, we're used to play. We over promote things sometimes, right? And in the professional financial world, what we see every day in our industry and in DAISY is hard for the traditional world to even accept. Like, they're like, wow, how could this be real? How could a company grow this fast? How could this many people join something this quickly? And it was amazing to hear that. Anyway, I love that you brought up the LIFT token as well, because I know this is something everyone is asking about, and it's going to be incredible when the swap goes live, and we're very soon we will be making that announcement. You'll be able to swap your DAISY token for the LIFT token, and the partnerships that are coming on board right now. It's incredible, and I guess this is a great way to close the call today, because we've had many conversations on a daily basis with very, very big projects. And the number one thing that we're hearing from the projects is, because our community thinks differently than the typical Launchpad community, we are in a very powerful position in the market with Uplift. And this is just a congratulations to each of you in the community for learning to think like a business person, to help mature the digital currency world, who right now in the Launchpad world, most Launchpad communities are only short-term minded. They're pump and dump communities. They want to buy today and they want to sell tomorrow. And this is why we haven't seen the major momentum of Launchpads in the market. And this is why the Uplift platform is so special for projects and for every token holder, every LIFT token holder, every DAISY token holder that will convert to the LIFT token. This is one of the things that makes us so special, because we are a long-term thinking community. We're here to, not just for the short term, but we're here to truly, truly build something long-term. And our mindset is long-term. Our commitment is long-term. And because of this, we've been able to attract some really powerful partnerships and relationships around the Uplift platform and the LIFT token. So congratulations to each of you. We know that you're patiently waiting, and we want you to know that the team is working literally 20 hours a day to go live with the staking, to go live with the swap, and it's all of that is right around the corner. And we promise you it will be well worth the wait. So just congratulations and thank you to you guys for understanding how to think bigger than the rest of the market is thinking, and be the type of community that understands the power of long-term success and what that means for you and your family. And that's our commitment at D.AI.SY, is long-term success in everything that we do. It's long-term success. And so thank you guys for joining us here today. Thanks again to Dr. Anna for the updates on Forex. Let's really take advantage of the promotions that we have right now in November. There's never been a better time for someone to upgrade their tiers and get into tier 6 and get into tier 7. You get the discount on the equity. You get an additional 20% that goes into the live trading account. There's never been a better time to activate your upgrades to tier 6 in Forex, to tier 6 in crypto, to tier 7 in Forex, and tier 7 in crypto. So thank you guys for joining us here today, and we look forward to talking to everybody soon. We'll be announcing our next update call will be right around December 1st, where we'll have some very big announcements as well. So let's have an incredible last 2 weeks of November, and we'll be making some big announcements at the end of this month as well that you won't want to miss. So thank you everybody for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon.